Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best custom towing mirrors in this video? I will show you the top 5 best custom towing mirrors to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is the Universal Top Racing California Mirrors. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Model name, AF. Material type, ABS plus carbon. Item type, mirror and covers. Special features, rear view. Item weight, 1 kilogram. Item number 4 is a door-off mirror for Jeep. Specifications. Color, black. Material, ABS. Item type, mirror and covers. External testing certification, CC. As item number 3, we've selected Big Sale 1 Pair Motorcycle Rear Side Mirror. Specifications. Brand name, Moto Racing Components. Model name, RM400013. Material type, billet aluminum. Item type, side mirrors and accessories. Item weight, 0.8 kilograms. Item name, rear side mirror. Item number 2 is the Motorcycle Mini Oval Rearview Mirrors. Specifications. Brand name, Rearview. Material type, glass mirror and aluminum/ABS shell and alu. Item type, side mirrors and accessories. Item weight, 0.4 kilograms. Color, black. Model name, Motorcycle Mini Oval Side Mirrors. Package included, 2x mirrors. And finally, item number 1 in our list is the 1.5-2 UTV rear view side mirrors. Specifications. Brand name, Moto. Item height, 14 centimeters. Item length, 34 centimeters. Material type, aluminum alloy. Item weight, 1.64 kilograms. Item width, 16 centimeters. Model number, B010603001BK. Color, black. Wattage, 18 watts. Lifespan, 20,000 hours. Waterproofing grade, IPX8.